If you haven't tasted vegetable spring rolls before, then you have been missing a lot. Today, I share my vegetable spring rolls with yours. Hello, my creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right. All-purpose flour in a bowl, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and salt. That's all you need to make the sheet. Okay, now go ahead and sift the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. To that, I'll be adding water bit by bit as I mix. What type of water are you using? I'm using water from the tap. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, you can see what the batter looks like. In order to ensure that I have a smooth batter, I will also advise you do this. Pass the batter through a sieve in order to make sure that it is clean and very smooth, as you can see. Now, to also know that if you have the right consistency, use a spoon to test. You can see that the batter did not leave the spoon entirely. That proves that you have the right consistency. All right, set it aside. Get your frying pan. Add the batter. Make sure that the batter is well distributed around the pan to be in the same shape with your pan. Then take out the excess one. All right. Now I'll be using the double boiling method. Okay. In a pot, add water. Pot should be in the same shape with your pan. Okay. To make the job easier. All right, now place the pan and allow to cook. You can see how it is cooking gradually. Once it cooks or once it is ready, it will start pulling by itself. Go ahead gently and pull. Please, you don't need to borrow muscle from Anthony Joshua to pull this. If you borrow muscle from Anthony Joshua, you are going to ruin your work. In fact, you are going to lose. Use your normal muscle to do this, all right? Okay, one thing about this method is that once you pull, before you add the next batter, you are going to clean your pan. When I did this the first time, the sticking wasn't much, but I am thinking that this is from the flour that I'm using. Okay, now the second method is to place your pan on the same boiling water, moving with a brush and the batter. Start brushing, okay? Anywhere you see hole, make sure you brush till it starts cooking. Once it is ready, just like the first one, it will start pulling. With the same gentle muscle, gently pull. Oh my word. And there you have it, my darling. Repeat the same process with the other ones till you are done. Now, I forgot to tell you that once you pull it, please put it in separate form. Now, to store, pick up one, brush with some oil and dust with flour. All right, once you dust with flour, place another one and repeat the same process. Okay, beautiful shout out to you, Gloria, watching from Ghana, Ife Sinachi from Anambra, Lassie from Zambia, Gracie watching from USA, and Kera all the way from Ivory Coast. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Just like I mentioned earlier, continue with the same process till you are done. And there you have it. You can store the wraps in a walk-in freezer for 5 years and use whenever you wish. Okay, let's mix the filling. Drizzle some oil in a preheated pan, moving with some onion. I added curry powder, chicken seasoning, some salt. I'm going to stir, all right? Once that is done, I am going to move in with shredded carrots. Okay, once I add the carrots, I am going to stir fry again for a few seconds. Once that is done, I'm going to move in with cabbage, spring onion, Habanero peppers for extra heat and that flavor that comes from it. I love habanero peppers. You can use any pepper of your choice, okay? Then you move in with sweet chili sauce. Then I added my homemade mixed spices. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. Go ahead and stir to combine very well. Finally, move in with some fresh tomatoes. Stir to combine very well. You should have this beautiful vegetable sauce. Look at that combo. Take it off the heat, transfer in another bowl and set it aside. It is wrapping time. If you are with me at this moment, type wrapping time at the comment section. Add the vegetable, then fold. Once you fold, from my left hand side, bring it. From my right hand side, bring it. Okay? Now, you are going to fold again before the final folding, as you can see. Now, before the final folding, you are going to bring the same batter which we used in making the sheet. Okay, now rub the batter as demonstrated. It is going to act as a binder because you need to seal this properly. You need to make sure that it is well covered. If you don't cover your spring rolls very well, it will absorb a lot of oil and it is going to mess up your oil. In fact, you are not going to like that. Seal properly, cover properly, you should have something like this. Look at that. Repeat the same process with the other ones. It is time to deep fry. I will advise you fry on high heat so that it will not absorb too much oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once it becomes crispy, take it off the heat. Go ahead, serve and enjoy. You are not going to serve that spring roll just like that. Stop serving a boring spring rolls. To give it more appetizing look, with the same vegetables, just sprinkle them on top and you are ready to marry. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It was yummy, very, very crispy. I don't need to tell you. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia, super yummy. You need to try my vegetable spring roll. Now, from the dictionary of Lady C Kitchen, have you tried this combo before? Spring rolls combined with cucumber is heavenly. You can enjoy with ketchup, sweet chili sauce, or with shawarma cream. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.